What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dang, we actually made 50 degrees. So you know what? We're on it today. We'll take you for a quick ride. Hope you enjoy it. What's up, guys? Finally got a good day today, Saturday. Had a little hiccups. Piece of my helmet mount broke off, so maybe a little frigate here. But it's fine. We're riding. We are, where are we at? We're on Route 8.
Waterbury.
Waterbury. A little windy, but that's okay. I snapped that little gimbal piece that goes on the helmet. Not even sure how I did it, but it's gone. I'll have to order another one. I actually think I bought, that's a side mount piece. That's what that was. And I actually made a one piece out of it, so I didn't have to have the camera sticking up so far up on my helmet, because somebody up there kept calling me a unicorn.
Wasn't me.
I hate looking at these trees all bare, naked. Pretty cool, those houses over there. I wanted to show you guys up over the hill where you can see the town of Waterbury coming down. So where are you taking us today on this short ride?
We're going to go see some natural ice formations coming off a mountain. Drove by them the other day. They look pretty cool. Figured I'd take you to look at them. Hopefully they're still there with the warm weather we've been having this week. Or not, you know, like they were like nice and blue color, and we'll see if they melted any with the week we had.
Yeah, it was in the high 40s this week. I'm sure everybody's getting their travel plans ready to go to Daytona. Get out of this freaking cold weather. But it's been cold down there too, huh?
Yeah. That's what the family's saying and friends down there. Last year wasn't that great neither. The year before was, sucked that night was real bad. A couple days we didn't even ride. It was so cold. So I don't know. We'll see. Anybody's going, let us know.
Yeah, I'd like to know who's going out there. What are your plans?
You see some of the formations on some of the stones here, but
nice.
The one that I passed the other day, the whole mountain was covered with ice. It's pretty cool.
It is pretty windy today. What do you guys think about Harley's color scheme they came out with for 2022? Crazy, huh? I feel like they just, I don't know, they took
I think they copied off a couple of the CVOs with that white.
Yeah.
They just renamed it, and that gray, they just renamed it.
I think it's nice that they let the color go out there, but kind of sucks for the people that, invested in the CVOs for the color, Because that sand dune, they named it something like sand, right?
And some people are saying it's a little off, but it's close enough for me to be pretty pissed if I was a CVO owner with that color. And that Battleship Gray, they named it something else, and
yeah,
to me it's so close to the same color. They did that with the 114 when it came out on the newer bikes, and all those CVOs that had the 114 motor on it got devalued big time, I'm sure. See some of the formations up there. See them way up there?
Yeah. Yep. There's some ice
Watch
over
from
here
up
on the
there.
left. Take a look here.
I think
Pretty
it's
cool.
up in there.
Yeah,
Might go up a
up
few
way up
exits
top.
more and then turn around.
I don't know how we're gonna see it though, unless I break my neck.
We're gonna stop. We're gonna stop up there.
Oh my God.
I'll let you walk up to it.
Oh yeah.
You can tap. I got a little chipping hammer. You can tap on it too, just to see what it.
Okay.
See if you can chip into the chip into it and get in deep with the color and stuff.
Oh, here's some. I see them up here on the left. I have missed this, guys. It has been a bit because of this damn weather.
Look at them up there. See 'em?
Yeah, look straight ahead up to the left. I know the camera's on a little angle, but you can kind of see over there.
We'll stop at some of them. I'm gonna go up a little more because there was a real big one. Unless some of it started falling, because you can see some of these ones up here started melting. You can see the water coming down off of them now.
Yeah.
Well, that mountain was covered before, so some of them must have melted and fell, because you can see all this is all wet up here, and all the bottom where they fell. That sucks. Well, so I came up here a week ago, and when it was cold, and this one of the mountains, like I said, it was covered. Just the whole mountain looked like nothing but a sheet of ice.
Tommy said he's under bridges, cleaning under bridges.
Like he said, he has to keep cleaning windows because he didn't get his royalty check
Not getting his
the
royalty
other day.
checks. Sorry, Tommy.
Don't feel bad, Tommy. All this work I do, and I only get $1 coffee every once in a while.
Yeah, speaking of that, you owe me a coffee
Here's some
today,
more.
so
Well, I owe you a coffee.
yes.
You owe me a coffee. Look at
You
all that
should be
ice.
thanking me. I've been on the weather like a hawk this week, guys.
You see all the ice over here.
Crazy. Down into the town.
Head over here and go to Yankee.
Yeah, we could do that if we got time.
Well, the ice stuff is back there, so I don't think so. Unless there's bigger ones up here, we'll stop at that one and then hit it.
Oh, he's going to Yankee, go buy a t-shirt and walk out with a bike.
Yeah, it's about time for me to get a new one.
We've been there, done that. I'll tell you, I really like that CBO freaking gray bike, man. I think it's sexy. You don't like it, I like it.
No, I don't.
I love the color scheme, the red. I don't know, guys. I was thinking of maybe wrapping my bike this year. You know, you get tired, color a little bit, want a little something different, but it's not a permanent change. And I saw how, John had done it, and another a girl, dang, I can't think of her name on Instagram. She wrapped it, and it looked like a bumblebee. It was so pretty, and then she took it off.
I'm thinking about wrapping my wallet.
That's impossible. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Johnny. See you on the road, buddy. I see you out there doing your thing out west.
Yeah, lucky him, he got all the beautiful weather. I have to move out there. We'll be out there one winter.
Ooh, what's that?
That's dinner.
We haven't been camping either. We did those, couple camping trips with Dan from Karma Cycle. and Rick and Deb. But it's literally been, the weather's just been horrible.
Every weekend's been shit. During the week it'll be good, and then the weekends will turn to shit. And cold up here.
Ooh, it's windy. Look at them leaves. I don't have my chaps on. I'm alright though. You guys know I don't like the cold. I'm cold, but I'm alright. I think it's just the adrenaline from the excitement of being out here after a bit, just enjoying it. What has changed since we've been on? Oh, Hannah got her driver's license. She's driving. That's exciting.
The reason why I'm out here today is because she's working.
Well,
get her on the road. I'm working.
Yep.
Got all the snow. It's getting cold up here, huh?
Yeah.
I was supposed to do some other things today, but I was waiting on someone to fix my trailer who stood me up.
Oh.
So, and I was supposed to go cook some stuff with my son. That didn't happen because I was waiting on this dude. Well, now we'll come out for a little ride and then we'll go fix Hannah's car. That's our plans for tonight.
Okay, so wait a minute. You were supposed to go cook some food? What kind of food?
That's none of your business.
Wait a second. You guys cut me out of the loop on this?
Yeah, me and Rick were gonna cook some good stuff and surprise everybody, but that didn't happen because I was waiting on someone to fix my trailer.
Oh.
I was supposed to go pick up a bike for a friend. That didn't happen. Nothing happened. All the plans got ruined.
Well, just look at it this way. You're stuck with me right now.
Oh, like I said, all my plans got ruined. It's getting cold up this end of the state, huh?
I'm about to throw my damn heated jacket on.
I'm about to turn around. Hell with it.
Definitely need to stop for a coffee somewhere.
It's up by our buddy Corey's house. Every time I fool with him, telling me he lives up in the baby tundra. I bet you the temperature dropped 10 degrees.
Yeah, it definitely did.
Some ice sculptures.
Oh, man, that one just threw me all over the place, huh? People out here probably like, look at those two desperate people who get a little tiny bit of warm weather and they jump on their bikes. Damn right.
They don't know. We'll go up a couple more exits and just turn around.
Yeah, I think so. Man, it got cold. I was talking all that shit before. Now I'm like, ooh, it's freezing. This is kind of what happens when I would ride to work. I'd be on 95, and as soon as I hit that 395 corridor, the patch of cold would be so cold. It does feel like it dropped 10 degrees.
I'll bet you.
Shit, I don't know how good that is for using my freaking phone. Took the case off of it.
Nah, ain't no big deal. Then again, it's an iPhone.
All right, we're not going to start with that. We should have a poll. How many of you are Android users and how many of you are Apple users?
You know, all I see is those TikToks of, my wife is perfect. She's perfect. Oh, she's so perfect. But then she's running around the house. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Well, you... No. All you do is say this effing phone.
I still love it.
Yeah, you love it. Well, you got some sort of love-hate relationship going on with it then.
Oh, I think we better get off.
Yeah, we'll
Buy the
go.
coffee.
I ain't buying you no coffee.
Oh yeah, you are.
No, because when you buy, I get $1 coffee. When I buy,
coffee,
it's
though.
Starbucks. It's a $9 coffee. I'm mortgaging the house to get you a coffee.
That's just because that's where we end up going.
Oh, sure.
We just happen to be.
We happen to navigate right into a Starbucks when it's your time.
Oh, God.
We'll turn around here.
They don't got a Dunkin' around here somewhere? Oh.
No.
We are in Torrington. I have some people comment on some of our content that they are in the area. Wouldn't mind hooking up and going for a ride, so give us a shout. Alright. I hear some tunes if that's at you.
No. It's you. See the Dunkin' Donuts over there? It's closed.
What the hell? You're an ass. That would have warmed me
bird.
up.
The hawk. I'll warm you up, baby.
Oh, God. Ugh. Oop. I didn't want to hit that, but I did. Kinda got a little bit of a cockpit view here.
People are gonna send you bills for keeks in their neck when they're watching this video. They're gonna be watching it crooked.
I'm sorry, guys.
I think you need to ride with your head crooked.
I'm trying to what would be the best angle for this thing? It is what it is. I'll just keep my head tilted a little bit. I've been posting a lot of stuff up on Instagram. If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Robles321. Got some funny videos up on there. This is what happens when I get bored. I get in trouble. But for the most part, I post a lot of pictures and stuff like that up on Instagram. Maybe some things that you guys wouldn't see normally on here. I try to get Paul on TikTok. I'm like, come on, blow us up.
Just trying to blow my bad leg out with those dances you want me to do. Nope.
All of you that are from CT, Route 8, it's a pretty sweet route, highway, a lot of curves.
Once you get past Waterbury.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a nice ride.
Waterbury on, it's so-so, a little more congestion.
We gotta get out of this coal patch.
Yeah, you can see it's all dark back there and all blue up ahead.